the moment you stopped praying, because when you abandon Salah and when you disconnect from Him, no one else can truly stay. Salah is not just an obligation. It is your lifeline. It's the moment where the soul breathes, where the heart unloads, and the soul connects to its Creator 5 times a day, in the chaos of life, in the rush of deadlines, in the pain, stress, and heartbreaks. You rise and say, Allahu Akbar. Allah is greater, greater than your fears, greater than your bills, greater than your pain. When you skip Salah, you unplug from your source of strength. You walk away from peace. You silence the only one who listens unconditionally. Allah says in the Quran, "So woe to those who pray, yet are heedless of their prayers." Surah Al-Maun 4-5. The one who abandons Salah, his heart hardens, his du'as get delayed. His blessings reduce and peace disappears. Because without Salah, life is empty, a body without a soul. The moment your forehead touches the ground is the moment your heart starts to rise. All the weight on your chest, all the tears in your eyes, all the chaos in your mind, you release it in sujood. In that position of complete surrender, your soul whispers, Ya Allah, only you understand me. The Prophet said, Salah is the Miraj ascension of the believer. It's your private journey to the heavens, your time in front of the King of all kings. Modern science has proven that tSkipSalah, those who pray consistently experience less anxiety, better sleep, improved decision-making, emotional stability. Why? Because in Salah, you're unloading your pain to the one who can carry it. While others are drowning in depression, the one who prays finds peace in wudu, finds rest in sujood and confidence in dua. Salah brings structure, it brings discipline, it keeps the heart clean and the mind focused. The world may fall apart, but the one who never skips Salah remains standing. You stop praying? That's okay. But now come back. Allah is still waiting for you, still watching you, still loving you. Just one sajda, one tear, one whisper. Ya Allah, forgive me, and the door reopens. Make this your turning point. No more missed prayers, no more excuses. Let every adhan wake up your heart. Let every sujood carry your pain. Whoever holds on to Salah never breaks. Whoever connects in sujood stays strong no matter what comes. Because Salah is not just a prayer, it's your shield, your therapy, your rescue, your lifeline. The world may disappoint you, people may break you, but if you have Salah, you have everything. Get up, make wudu, and say, Labbaik ya Allah, I'm back. I missed you, because He never left you, not even once. If this message touched your heart, share it. Let it reach every soul that's struggling, and remind them, never skip Salah, never skip peace. Do you know what the biggest loss of your life might be? You disconnected from Allah.